Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Crypto Coin Analyst. So guys, today we are going to analyze BTC. So as you can see, the current BTC price is $38,172. So as according to the strategy, it is under the black curve, guys, and the blue curve is over here at the price of $36,866. So this is not the correct position to buy a long BTC. We will wait some more fall in the BTC price. Once the price will reach around this level, we will go for the buy. Okay, guys, this is the very basic strategy. And once we buy from here, and our very first target will be at around this level, 40,000 level. So this is the purely analysis about the BTC. As you can see the previous history of the BTC, as soon as this black curve crosses this blue curve, the price start rising. See, at this point, if someone would have bought it from here around 33,000, he would have made a very handsome profit at this level. So this is how this strategy works. So for today analysis, we are going to analyze on two altcoin. One is Tomo and other another one is Null. So as you can see in Null, it is trading above black curve, guys, and now it has crossed over this blue line. So right now we can this at this point, this is a very good sign of buy. So we can buy Tomo at around 7,113 satoshis. Okay, guys, as you can see, and this blue line, this is a very good support line. Let's go to the 4 hour chart time frame. You can see that this is a perfect support level, and over here we can see a very good accumulation. So the first target will be at around this level, 8,830 satoshis, guys. And what will be our stop loss? So as let's go to 1 hour chart. If the price drops below this black curve and start trading over here, we will take our SL. Your SL should be very strict, guys. Always do, like in trading, always focus on your SL rather than target. Target you will achieve accordingly if your strategy is good. So right now Tomo is very good at this level. We can buy from here, and if some things go against our way, what we can do, we can take our SL. If the price, always remember guys, if the price start trading below this level, we will exit from the market. Okay guys, so from my analysis, for this purely technical analysis, we can buy from here. Okay, so the next coin is Null. It is a very similar pattern, guys. The price is trading above this black curve, guys. See, there is a very nice accumulation around this blue curve. In previous, when the price start trading above this black curve, but it is taking the resistance of this blue curve, guys. See, over here. Price tried to move up, but unfortunately, it got the resistance from here. Again, it fell down. Again, it tried to pump but the same level of resistance. Now what we can see, these two line are converging, and we can see very nice consolidation over here. So from my point of analysis, we can buy Null as well. It is currently trading at 1020 satoshis. We can buy it from here, and our SL will be like around, let's say, 980 satoshis, guys. And what should be our target? Let's go to 4 hour time frame. Our first target will be at 1131, guys. 1131, more than 100 satoshi. And our second target will be at around 1200 satoshi, and our third target will be at around 1300 satoshis. Okay guys, this will be our third target, this will be our second target, and this is our first target. We are focusing on this first target. If the market breaks this level, it will try to test this level, guys. See, there are it it was tested before. You can see this is a purely resistance level, guys, and our third target is around this level, 1319 satoshis, guys. We can right now we can buy null and we can buy tomo for the very good profit, guys. For these type of analysis, you can join our Telegram channel, where we provide very quality analysis on altcoin and the Bitcoin. You can join us for these type of video. You can press the bell icon so that the notification you will get it timely. And please subscribe the channel and like the video. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and definitely might be you have learned something. So thank you guys for watching this video.